Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. What ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I've uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also found in that same area is that thumbs up, and that's important on the YouTube platform. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, very lucky, just received my second Boxycharm Premium for my channel. I am so excited. As you know, on my channel I pay for 2 premiums and 2 base boxes, and during the Luxe month I get only 1 base box because I get my paid Luxe. So if you haven't seen that video, my Luxe came so early. That is a great one, and I really hope that you will watch that, as well as my first premium was an absolute home run. So if you haven't seen that, I would check that out as well. And it's really easy. You just go to the video section on my page and you will see all the most recent videos there. Really excited to have the opportunity to share with you, because everything in there was a winner. And we all know that if we like something, we'll definitely have access to it in the drop shop when it shows up during choice, and then we can get them all at these fantastic discounted prices. So if we don't get these premium boxes, we still have access to the products. So like I said, this is my second box, and this one again has that same card that says Game Changers, celebrating Game Changers and Boss Babes in honor of Women's History Month, which is what the month of March is all about. And that's the beautiful card that is here. Everything on the other side is what is in my box. On my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name on Instagram is True Wants with the number 2. And I get rid of any excess packaging, because when I sit here, it's part of my day that when a box comes, I try my best during the day to sit down and then share with you guys what's in the box. I don't edit. I sit down, turn the camera on, set everything up on the table, and then we go through the products together. And then when this finally gets uploaded to you guys, I'm watching it with you for the first time. Okay, the first item in here is one that is my choice, that I could not wait for this box to arrive, because I also pay for and receive the A1A Beauty box. And this month was all Alicia Keys. And I told you, the only thing that I felt was missing in that configuration of what they chose to be in the box, which, trust me, was way generous. And every product in there, I am using it. And since I got the box, I'm using it day and night, which is what I like to do when I get a full regime. And when that A1A comes early in the month, which for me it does, I love having the opportunity to use it for the entire month, because with A1A, you still have access to their boxes during the month. So there's no variations. Everyone gets the same thing. And this month it was the entire Keys Soulcare products. Like, I went into really good, it's a really long video. I gave you a lot of information in that video. I had the opportunity to test the products, try the products, and then do some research on the products. So I definitely want you, if you haven't had the opportunity to see the A1A on my channel, I really feel it's a little bit different than just showing you the products. There's a lot of information on there. So that's an also really good video, and I would recommend this box. From A1A. But we're talking Boxycharm Premium today, and this was a choice item in the box. And this was what I felt was the missing piece. And I cannot wait now to add this to my regime. So it comes in this beautiful full retail packaging. All of the jars and boxes are so beautiful. They are this deep, beautiful, purpley blue. It's just so beautiful. And this one here, and the whole concept behind this, I'm not going to go into it because I did all that in that video. So if you're interested, please watch the A1A Keys video for the month of March. This is the Skin Transformation Cream Fragrance Free with Bakuchiol. And it says it's a fragrance-free hydrating moisturizing face wash that helps reveal plump and radiant looking skin with this Bakuchiol and this malachite, as well as ceramides and hyaluronic acid. This alone is a $30 value. This whole box, the premiums are $39.99, free ship in the USA. And they're saying this brand is now going to be a new brand to Boxy. So hopefully we'll be seeing a lot more from this brand because I'm impressed with it. This comes with a little seal on the top. All the other products that I got in the other one, when it came in these jars, didn't have this extra little seal, which surprised me. So I'm happy that this one does. And this is really, you know, packed, and really excited to have the opportunity to try this. So this is also fragrance free. All her other products that I've had the opportunity to try, the mist has a rose scent to it that's not my favorite, but the other products have like a sage and oat type of a scent to it. Very relaxing, very mindful. It's just this has been an absolute treat. I look forward to using it morning and night, and it's something that, like I said, I look forward to using. So I just felt that all that I was missing was the moisturizer, and I didn't want to mix anything in. So now this will be that little missing piece. So for me, I couldn't wait for this box to arrive. The next one is one that I shared with you in my other box. So this is the one from this box. This is the one from my original box that I got that I shared with you already. And this is from the brand called Arthur Beauty. If you're not familiar with Arthur Beauty, we got introduced to this brand in Ipsy's Glam X, not this past one, the one before. It had a lot of purple shades. I wasn't lucky enough to get it in my Glam X, but in Boxycharm, I did get the one that had more of those orange browns, and I really enjoyed it. So this is that brand, and this is their mascara from that brand. And I have been using this and enjoying it. And what I will share with you in this one, as I did in the past, with the first bundle, that it impressed me out of the box, and it's still impressing me today. It says this is the Big Bang Mascara. It is the ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara that truly does it all for this out of this world length, volume, and curl, as well as definition. It's a $28 value, which is the prestigious price range for this brand. Like Lancome's cost me, the mascaras are usually around that price point. This is the one that's inside. It's more of the brush type applicator. But what's great about this one is this really gives you the volume, you know, the length. And then on the second coat, it gave me the volume. But what it also did was it gave me more length, which I've never had with any mascara that I've used before. That usually once you do your first coat, it gives you the length, and your second coat will give you some volume. This continued to stretch my lashes even on the second coat. So, and it gave me the volume. So really impressed with this. Happy to get a second one of those. The next one in here was another one that was a choice item for me, and this was to introduce me to this brand. And it's called Somme Institute, and it's a Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. It says gently exfoliate and treat your skin, taking it to the whole new level. It says Transport powered by MDT5. It says it features saturated soft cotton pads designed to help improve your skin tone and texture, as well as clarity. And it has an 8% buffered AHA to gently exfoliate dead skin cells on the skin's surface. They're saying this is a $65 value, and they're saying this is also a new brand to Boxycharm. So this is one of those, you know, that you open them up and it has those pads. I have one open now that I'm using from Dr. Nassif that I'm really enjoying, but I've used these type of products from First Aid Beauty as well as a lot of other brands. And I used to travel with these all the time because all of the liquid is saturated within the pads. You don't have to worry that you forgot your cotton rounds or anything when you traveled. So really excited to have the opportunity to try this. And the fact that it has 8%, I think is absolutely fantastic. That it is a buffered AHA. I think this is going to be really exciting to try. The next item is also a duplicate item from my first box. It is the one that we talked about from the Ciate London. It is the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. It says prep your skin for that flawless dewy makeup application. With a cushiony texture, this primer provides a luminous glow with the dewy glass-like finish. It's formulated with vitamin C, and it has dragon fruit extract. It also has a rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture boosting, and yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create and smooth and hydrate your canvas that glows all day. This guy is $32 value, and this is the size of this primer. This is the one, like I said, that I tested with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation that day that I wore it, and I was really impressed with it. However, when I put it on, I'm a combo girl, and you hear dewy, you get a little bit nervous. And I continued to be nervous when I placed it on my skin because I felt my skin looked oily. But when I put the matte foundation on top of it, it behaved beautifully. It gave me a really beautiful finish. It did everything a primer should do, but it definitely has that glass-like glow that you can see. So if you're a girl that is like me, where, you know, we like a little bit more coverage, that might scare you, but once you put your coverage on top of it, like a foundation, a BB cream, or CC cream, you will really like. And all the skincare benefits that are in this are over the top. I just read them to you, and like I said, this is a $32 value on its own. The next one in here is from this brand called Nabla, and this is also a really high-end brand, and this one here is called My Rules, and this is the shade that I got inside here. And the packaging on this is stunning too. I should show you it all. It's just stunning. And then this is this package here. And this is the Dreamy Cream Liquid Lipstick. This is also going to be a new brand to Boxycharm. And this is really also a really nice brand. This is a Dreamy Creamy is the perfect dream. It is a liquid lipstick with a luminous finish and a rich and creamy texture. It will, it says it is adherent and hyperpigmented formula will plump up the lips with a long-lasting comfort. This is only $16, and like I said, this is a new brand to Boxycharm. We are really getting the brands, guys. We are getting so spoiled here. And then let me just show you this here. And that is what that looks like there. I was testing out another foundation, so if you see that on my hand, I apologize. That is what that looks like. That is the color of the liquid lipstick. And then the last item that is in here is from Grace and Stella. This is also going to be completely sealed and put into my area that you'll know what I call it. And then inside there, I have the one that I pulled out from my other box. I have not had the opportunity to try these yet, but there are 12 in here. And these are these little eye pads that are really convenient when they're in packages like this. And this is Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Masks. They're saying these are Pretty in Pink eye masks that are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes. It's formulated with a tripeptide 5 to stimulate and boost your collagen production. It also has fructose to attract and retain moisture in the skin, and a horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen our capillaries, which will help with the dark circles. It says these eye masks are key to improve your skin texture and firmness. This whole package is only $12, and like I said, sorry, $24. And these are, there's 12 of them in here, and they come in this box here. So that's everything I got in my second box. Like I said, really excited to have, you know, this cream. This more than paid for the box for me. So excited, like I said, with me. The reason I continue to get the 2 premiums on my channel is because I get to choose 2 of the items that are going to be in the box, and then I get to choose 2 extra ones that are different in the other box that I get. So I get to share all of the choice items with you on my channel. So that's what I love about it. And then if I have some duplicates, you know that those are always what I call gifts for later. So this one here is the moisturizer from Keys. Really excited about that. Excited to try a new brand that's going to be to Boxycharm. So excited about that. And I think I also saw this brand when we did some sneak peeks on Ipsy. So this is a brand that we'll be seeing other products on. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. Really excited about this Arthur Beauty mascara. Like I said, this is an absolute winning one. Excited about Ciate London. Really enjoy this brand. And like I said, the amount of ingredients that they have in here between the vitamin C, the yuzu, and all of that, this is really, really fantastic. So if it didn't leave me so shiny that I had to put like a CC cream or a BB over it, this is something that if I was a dry skin girl, you definitely want to enjoy this, because it is definitely good product. And then the Nabla is a new brand to Boxycharm, and it's a good brand. So their eyeshadows from this brand are over the moon too. So really excited to get that. And that's the shade that I received. And then again, we have 12 of these iPads. I'm happy with everything that I got. It is definitely, to me, what I was waiting for. And the duplicates that I got are all winners that I definitely would love to be able to share. And that's it for today. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay well, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.